Kani gadiga Pati CTV.
Si banta bante lakam yak jingkeo jong jingpang diabetes, but kum kajingalap sakipat ba halor kum no banyada yak ni jingpang. Meghalaya Diabetes Association ringkat kajingtray lang ke Nazareth Hospital Shillong, but ke North Eastern Diabetes Society. Shen ken sapelong yak jing examen klam don kam jing siyo yakipat ba kibawan sakajaka, hakaba on pelong yak ni kelumpong ke ba shisngi. Kani kajing examen ay yakipat ba kalong ro kum si banta kajing rakhe yak World Diabetes Day. Yakaba on pelong hatlai terek mentau benai wing han Nazareth Hospital Shillong. But hajan kajaka le aniam jong kiriu ngait sik nega gurdwara kabaran ha Bomfile Road Shillong. Katkum kajing thu kiriu sempang hakakot kakya kajing pang diabetes ne kabagi juang kajing pang Shini. Kari India kadai kajaka pedang hakaperthai kabakan rei e kani kajing pang. Nakada kajing kala hakorkom jong gibreu bat kajing kerni hakijing mrian kibasniu. U General Secretary ke Meghalaya Diabetes Association u Dr. Paul L. Dakhar habakran bakinong pathai kubor hanen ka janmiet ka arterik mentau nai weng mulai thu bakatong hi ka bahakmat e hakabasengi ka Meghalaya Diabetes Association kalong maniet binia ahlor ka jingkan rei yakani ka jingpang nadu haki khanna namar kum bakalong menta karkom bam jugi khanna kalakala bat bo naki klai lap men hakabam tangi ki jingbam kutia mutia hakani ka jingkandu bakinong pathai hanen ka janmiet Pinewood Hotel laidon lang ru ka weina ki ryoshempang na ka Albert Einstein Hospital New York Commanded Hawkins kabalai thu bah ka perthai borok wei hadu menta South Spa life saw million ngot ki breu ki bayo ek jing pang Shini balada omile persha menta tang Hadien Snem kan sapoi shakasan spa million ngot hakani jelang nin kasngi laidon lang ru ka Director Division ka Endocrinology and Metabolism jong ka Jacobi North Central Brock Hospital ka Gayatri Goswami.
But the problem is that diabetes is increasing at exponential rates. And it's believed that we now probably have a global prevalence of about 434 million people now with diabetes. And if that trend continues, that we would, within the next 10 years, probably have over 500 million people in the world with diabetes. That would be one thing if diabetes were a benign condition. But as we know full well, this is a very complicated and a very devastating disease. The reason why I'm particularly interested in the global side of diabetes is that 80 to 90% of new cases of diabetes are occurring in low and middle income countries. And this is a real paradigm shift because until very recently, we thought of this as a disease of affluence. The problem is that there are now millions of people who are very thin and very malnourished in many parts of the world who are developing very difficult to treat and very devastating forms of diabetes. And that is where my own particular passion happens to lie.
Kani gadiga Pati CTV.